Hola! Hello there. Welcome to our Spanish lesson today. We'll be needing some equipment to help you with your learning today. You'll need some paper to write on and a pen or a pencil to write with. So if you don't have those things in front of you now, just press pause, go and get them, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. Today, we're going to be revising how to work out the definite article for each of our foods and drinks. And also, we're going to be using those to help us to say that we either like or don't like one of our foods or drinks. So, here are our 15 foods and drinks that we've been working on over the past few weeks. Let's have a recap of those. Escuchad y repetid. Queso, queso, jamón, jamón, zumo, zumo, pizza, pizza, leche, leche, limonada, limonada, chocolate, chocolate, helado, helado, sopa, sopa, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, yogur, yogur, pescado, pescado, pollo, pollo, perro, perro, pan, pan. So, do you remember this sentence that we saw last time? Do you remember where the food word is in it? That's right, jamón. So, this sentence is all about jamón, about ham. And it says, me gusta el jamón. We found out that me gusta is giving the opinion, but there's this extra little word el in front of jamón, and el means the. So the sentence says, I like the ham. In English, though, we'd just say, I like ham. In Spanish, though, we need to have the word for the in front of all of our foods and all of our drinks if we're saying that we like or don't like them. Now, the word for the is also called the definite article. So we need to just have a recap of our definite articles and looking at which one goes with which of our foods and drinks. Remember that we learned, didn't we, that the indefinite article, a or an, is un for masculine nouns and una for feminine nouns. If we want to say the, though, which is the definite article, for masculine nouns we need el, and for feminine nouns we need la. Remember, we can remember which is which because la ends in a like so many other feminine words. We're going to be using these definite articles el and la today. Now, last week we sorted out our 15 food and drink nouns into masculine and feminine. In other words, ones which will have to have el in front of them and ones which will have to have la in front of them. And we saw, didn't we, that a lot of the masculine ones end in o, like masculine nouns tend to do, and a lot of the feminine ones end in a. So we have el for the masculine ones and la for the feminine ones. Now, here are our 15 foods and drinks again, but this time they all have their definite article added. They all have el or la, which means the in front of them. Let's have a practice of those with the articles because we're going to need those for saying that we either like or don't like these things. Escuchad y repetid. El queso, el queso, el jamón, el jamón, el zumo, el zumo, la pizza, la pizza, la leche, la leche, la limonada, la limonada, el chocolate, el chocolate, el el helado, la sopa, la sopa, la Coca-Cola, la Coca-Cola, el yogur, el yogur, el pescado, el pescado, el pollo, el pollo, el perro, el perro, el pan, el queso, el jamón, el zumo, la pizza, la leche, la limonada, el chocolate, el helado, la sopa, la Coca-Cola, el yogur, el pescado, el pollo, el perro, el pan. Now, here's our sentence again. Me gusta el jamón. And we know, don't we, that it's about ham, it's about jamón. And we said that me gusta means I like, and we know that we have to have el in the middle there, the word for the. So, me gusta el jamón. I like the ham. Well, actually, it doesn't mean that. It actually means it pleases me, the ham, because there isn't a way in Spanish of actually saying I like. You have to say that something pleases you instead. And this sentence says, me gusta, it pleases me, el jamón, the ham. It pleases me, the ham. It sounds much more sensible in English, doesn't it, to say, I like ham. Me gusta el jamón, I like ham. Here's another similar sentence. It says, me gusta la pizza. Me gusta la pizza. It pleases me, the pizza. What would we say instead? What sounds more sensible? That's right, I like pizza. Me gusta la pizza. It pleases me, the pizza. How about this one? Me gusta el pescado. Me gusta el pescado. What does that one mean? Me gusta el pescado. It pleases me, the fish, or I like fish. And how about me gusta la leche? Me gusta la leche. Have you worked that one out? It pleases me, the milk, but more sensible, I like milk. Now, here's our grid again with our 15 foods and drinks, and they've all got their el or their la in front to help us out. Let's see if we can put together some sentences saying that we like some of these things. So, first of all, how would we say, I like chicken? I like chicken. What's the food, first of all? I like chicken. That's right, we would need pollo, wouldn't we, for the food? What's the definite article that it has in front of it? That's right, el, so el pollo. And what do we put on the front to say I like? That's right, me gusta. I like chicken. Me gusta el pollo. Let's try another one. How would you say I like soup? I like soup. So what's the food we need first of all? That's right, sopa. And what's the definite article that goes with it? That's right, la sopa. And how do we say that we like it? What do we put on the front? Me gusta. So I like soup. Me gusta la sopa. Now, the next one. How will we say I like cheese? Can you work out that sentence? I like cheese. These four words. What will those four words be? Can you call it out? So I like cheese. Me gusta el queso. Did you get that one right? Me gusta el queso. And what about I like lemonade? I like lemonade. What would that sentence be? What are the four words that we would need? Have you worked it out? Me gusta la limonada. Me gusta la limonada. Well done. Now, here's our home worker again, but if you look carefully at the picture, you can see this time he doesn't have his thumb up. He has his thumb down. So he's going to be talking about things that he doesn't like. And here's our first sentence. No me gusta el jamón. No me gusta el jamón. So it's still about ham, it's still about jamón, and we've still got el in front of it because it's masculine, but this time we've got a different opinion. No me gusta. No me gusta. So me gusta, I like. No me gusta, I don't like. All we've done is put no in front, haven't we? So he's talking about what he doesn't like. It doesn't please me, the ham. But really, we'd just say, I don't like ham, wouldn't we? What about this sentence then? No me gusta el zumo. No me gusta el zumo. What does that mean? No me gusta el zumo? It doesn't please me, the juice. But we'd probably say, I don't like juice, wouldn't we? And what about this one? No me gusta la Coca-Cola. No me gusta la Coca-Cola. Have you worked that one out? It doesn't please me, the Coca-Cola. Or more sensibly, I don't like Coca-Cola. So here's our grid again with our 15 foods and drinks, and they've got their definite articles in front of them. How would we say, I don't like ice cream? I don't like ice cream. We're going to have 5 words this time, aren't we? I don't like ice cream. Do you think you've worked it out? So we need helado, don't we, as our food, and that has to have its definite article el. And how do we say I don't like? No me gusta. No me gusta el helado. And let's try I don't like yogurt. I don't like yogurt. What would that be? I don't like yogurt. Well, we need yogur, don't we, for our food? And it's masculine, so it needs to have el in front of it for its definite article. And how do we say I don't like? No me gusta. No me gusta el yogur. Now, here's a sentence builder with all that information on it. Over on the left-hand side, we have me gusta, I like, and no me gusta, I don't like. Then if you follow the arrows, you go to either el for the masculine or la for the feminine. And then you've got all the masculine foods and you've got all the feminine foods. And all you need to do to get a correct sentence is to follow the arrows. So what I would like you to do is to pause the video and use the sentence builder to write 6 sentences about foods that you like and don't like. Remember, as long as you follow the arrows, you're going to be correct. So pause the video now, have a go at 6 sentences, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. So, how did you get on? These are the 6 sentences that I chose. I've put me gusta el pollo. I like chicken. No me gusta la limonada. I don't like lemonade. No me gusta el perro. I don't like cress. Me gusta la pizza. I like pizza. Me gusta el queso. I like cheese. No me gusta el pescado. I don't like fish. Are any of those the same as your sentences? How did you get on with yours? Oh, did you enjoy finding out how to say that you either like or don't like certain foods? Well done today. Adios. See you next time.